Well, this is the top 5 winning product that I've chosen for you guys in this video that have got a potential of making around $1 million in sales for you guys. So let us check these products out right now. Well, the first winning product that I have in the list for you guys is called the Mini Heat Sealer Plastic Package Storage Bag Mini Sealing Machine Handy Sticker and a seal for food snacks, kitchen accessories. Hope you can see this one, guys. This is the winning product and this is a very much problem solver for all the local store owners who have got a plastic packaging machine. So this is the packaging machines with a huge heat supply, and this is got a huge problem solver, and this has got a huge demand as well. This product has got around 2,466 orders with 47 reviews and 81 reviews with 4-5-star ratings and much more. And if I scroll down here, if I click on China as a product, and there are two color variants that are available. One is in pink and one is in white. So if I choose the white color option and pink color option, and if I choose the China, then this product is costing only around $3.43, and you can sell this product at around 9.99 USD. This has got a huge problem solver, high perceived value, as well as mass marketing appeal, and you can target for all of this one for the shop owners and who runs business and local shops. So this was the first winning product which I have chosen for you guys, that I will give you in the list in the description section as the product number 1. Just go and search and start selling this product out right now and start making a good amount of profit margins. So you can sell this product around, it is costing around $3.43, and you can probably sell this product at around 12.95 or 12.99 USD. So this gives a huge profit margin as well as it is already proven to sell with 2,466 orders and 5-star reviews. So this is the first winning product that I have chosen for you guys that you can start selling in right now, guys. Like this video right now so my videos can reach to more awesome people like you, and comment down your name in the comment section, so I will choose any one of you from the comment section, and one of you will get a 10 minutes free call directly with me each and every day. So let's get back to the video game. Well, the second winning product that I have chosen for you guys is called the 5-color Women's Heat Hot 2020 newest 5D wireless contour bra lace and breathable and underwear. You can see this is another winning product. It has already got around 3,009 orders with 495 reviews of 5-star rating and much more. And if I click on any of the color, there are various kind of colors that are available, and if I click on the sizing as well as the place from which it will get sale, so this product is costing only around $4.05, and you can probably sell this one at around 9.99 USD, and this has got a good profit margins as well, and this has proven to sell with 3,009 orders, 25 reviews. It has got high perceived value, and you can do it for, you can market for every woman's out there in this world. So it has got a high trendy look, so it has got a wow fact as well as high perceived value, mass marketing appeal, and a high quality product. So this is a second winning product that I've chosen for you guys in the list, and this got a good amount of reviews in this for AliExpress reviews as well. So this is a proven seller with a huge profit margin, high perceived value. So this is a product number 2. I have given the link in the description section. Just go and check out this AliExpress link right now. And this is the good to go product and the second winning product that I have chosen for you guys. Well, the third winning product that I have for you guys is called the 12-volt Autocar anti-radar detector English, Russian, Thai voice alert. So this is a huge and high quality, high perceived value products, and this has got a 598 reviews of 104 reviews, and well, it has got a 598 orders with 104 reviews of 5-star rating, much more. That means people are loving this winning product. This is a high perceived value product. You can see there are various kind of functions that are available that you can put in your car or your decks that will help you to get a navigation something. So this is the winning product that comes with the electronic dog radar one. So if you can there is a plugger accessories for the car plugs that are available with a pouch. So this is costing only around 13.41 cents. You can probably sell this one for 49.99 USD, usually for the dog lovers who have dogs or pet owners. So you can target this one in the Facebook advertisements, or you can choose the Instagram page to target this product for all the dogs pages, dog niche, dog interest. So this has got a wow fact, problem solver, as well as high perceived value winning product. So this is the third winning product that I have chosen for you guys with which started getting tractions. It is costing only, it is got around 598 orders with $13 only. So you can sell this one for 49.99 with a huge profit margin, high perceived value, and a mass marketing appeal winning product. So start selling this product out right now. This is the third winning product that is given in the link in the description section, guys. Just go and check and start making money by selling this winning product. Well, the fourth winning product that I've chosen for you guys is called the mobile phone gameplay trigger PUBG game shooter controller fire button handle L1R1 for iPhone, Android phones, games, accessories. This is a winning product, and this is probably not this. As you can see here, this is a product for gamers. So you can target nowadays the gamers in the YouTube, Twitter, Twitch has just increasing and getting blown up, and people nowadays, or kids nowadays, or normal people also nowadays, is preferring to go play the games in their mobile phones because it is cost effective. So they have got this one L1R1 button, which is a huge problem solver for many of the people out there. You can target this product. It is already proven to sell with 468 orders right now with 1-star rating, 1 reviews of 5-star rating. These people are loving this winning product, and this product has already proven seller in the past as well for many of the stores and one of my store as well. So this is the fourth winning product that I have chosen for you guys. It's a huge high quality problem solver, mass marketing appeal, wow effect. Everything that is required for a product to be a winner is available for this product, guys. So this has got a fourth winning product that I have chosen for you guys that you can start selling in right now and start making a good amount of profits with this, guys. So I have given the link in the description section of this video. Just go and check out this product right now. Is a fourth product winning product that I've given. So if we choose China to ship this product from, it is only costing 0.92 cents, and you can probably sell this one at $9.99, and this has got a huge profit margin in this, and gamers will be the perfect audience to sell this product right now. So this was the fourth winning product that I have chosen for you guys that you can start selling in right away. To start selling this product right now. Well, the fifth winning product that I've chosen for you guys is called the Fashion Crystal Zinchrona Studs Earrings for Women's Geometric Cross Guards Hook Earrings. You can see this is the winning product. This has looking a pretty insanely high perceived value, high quality product. You can see there is various kind of variants that are available here. You can see this is some of the earrings that are available for the women, and people are loving this winning product right now. This is probably for the weddings or some celebrations time. This product will be looking pretty insanely interesting and wow effect in this product. So this has got a wow effect, mass marketing appeal, and high perceived value winning product, and it is already proven to sell with 1,331 orders with 54 reviews and 5-star rating in this. So in this one you can target this one for ornaments, celebrations, and target all the women in the Facebook ads, advertisements. You can see they have got different kind of winning products, photos for this winning product as well. So this is giving a good profit margin for this winning product. I will show you how much it is coming up. So it is already proven to be winner as 1,331 orders. If I choose any one of them, there is a various kind of metal color that are available for this and different styles. So for this style, it's costing around $2.69, and you can probably sell this one at around 12.9 or 9.9, and will be a good price margin for this one, which gives a huge profit margin for this winning product that I have chosen for you guys. So this is the fifth winning product with a high perceived value, mass marketing appeal, and wow product, guys, that I've chosen for you guys. This is the fifth winning product that I have chosen for you guys that you can start selling in right away. So I hope you like this video, guys. So make sure you like this video right now and share this video with all of your dropshipper friends and family, that you can, so that they can also start they can reduce their problem of searching winning products. And if you like make money or winning product, dropshipping winning product videos particularly, so make sure you go down this video and press on the red subscribe button down below and turn on the bell so that I can send you notification whenever I come up with a new and fresh strategies for dropshipping videos, dropshipping product updates for you guys. So I will meet you on my next upcoming video, and make sure you comment down your name so that you can get a 10 minutes free call directly with me. I will meet you on my next upcoming video. Till then, bye bye and enjoy.